किताब चाहिए हमें किताब चाहिए।
Amai's Mohenjo Daro adventure. Seema had a book in her hand. She said, "Oh, look what I found in this book about Mohenjo Daro." Ali looked at the picture in the book and asked, "What animal is this with only one horn?" Seema replied, "I think it is a unicorn, Amai. Were there any unicorns in Mohenjo Daro?" Amai, the bird of light who was their friend, replied, "I don't know, children. Let's go and see." Before they knew, Amai turned into a shooting star and took the children 2000 years back in time to Mohenjo Daro when it was a living city. As they came down, they were amazed. Looking around, Ali said, "Wow, it looks so clean and peaceful. They have such pretty dresses. Just see, the women are wearing turbans and the men have their long hair tied in buns," Seema observed. "But I don't see any unicorns," Ali said. "Where are they?" Amai suggested. "Let's go and look in the forest." There were so many beautiful animals in the forest. "I can see a rhinoceros, a tiger, an elephant, oxen, a buffalo, and a goat," counted Ali. Seema asked, "But where are the unicorns?" Ali got so excited as he was counting the animals that he didn't look where he was going. He fell with a big bang and landed on elephant dung. Seema cried, "Oh no, Ali will be so smelly now, yuck!" Amai said, "Ali, run, jump into the water. You have scared all the animals." Ali jumped into the water, but he didn't know how to swim and started screaming, "Help! Help!" Seema cried, "Amai, quick, we have to save him. He does not know how to swim." Luckily, Ali got caught in a fisherman's net. The slippery fish were tickling him. The fisherman helped him out. They thanked him and resumed their journey. They went further ahead. "What is this?" asked Ali. Seema replied, "The man standing in the middle of the tree seems to be someone very important." Ali said, "And look at the long row of men. I think they are also waiting to bow in front of him like this man." Ali pointed out, "Look, there's another important person. And oh no, what are the two big cobras doing?" Seema said, "This is so strange. Don't you think these people are strange?" Amai told her, "If they seem different to you, Seema, that does not mean that they are strange. Please don't use the word strange for anybody again." Seema replied, "Oh Amai, I'm sorry. I promise not to call them strange." Amai said, "Let's go to the king priest's temple to find out. Maybe he knows if there are any unicorns in Mohenjo Daro." They entered a place thinking it was the temple. They could hear beautiful music being played in the next room. They wanted to see if it was the king priest's room. Instead, they found a bronze statue of a dancing girl. Ali said, I think it is this girl dancing in the next room. They are strange people, aren't they? Amai scolded them. Very well. I have had enough of this strange word. I'm taking you back home. Oh no, sorry. I promise I will not call anyone strange again, said Ali. They couldn't find the king priest there, so they left the temple. They entered another building. A sound came from a room in the building. Ali whispered, "Oh, I am so scared." Seema replied, "Be careful, Ali. There might be a monster there." It was actually a great big bath, and there was a man with his feet in the water. It was the king priest. The king priest saw them. "Come, children, don't be afraid. Who are you and where have you come from?" he asked kindly. Seema replied, "Oh, thank God, we thought there was a monster in the room. You are not scary at all." Ali told the priest, "We are from Pakistan and we live in the 21st century. Our friend Amai has brought us back in time to see if there were any unicorns in Mohenjo Daro. But now, as we find out more about your people, we find everything so different." The king priest said, "Well, you might find us strange, but if you were born in Mohenjo Daro, you would have known that we are the most civilized people in the world." Seema said, "King priest, we would like to know more about your civilization." The king priest told the children, "While many people still live in jungles and small settlements, we have developed a proper city. We love cleanliness and regularly take a bath. That is why we have this great bath." He continued, "Here, I will give you some clay toys that our children play with." Ali said, "Oh, they are so nice." Seema added, "Thank you, they are so pretty." "Let me show you around the city," the king priest offered. "Look, this is my house. Isn't it very clean? Come and meet my family." "Yes, indeed, very clean," said Seema as she looked around. She met his wife and child and said, "It's nice to meet your family." The king priest showed them the streets, which were wide and clean with rainwater drains on the sides. Seema said, "They are so clean." Ali agreed. "They are so well maintained and all the drains are covered." The king priest told the children, "That is because they are taken care of. We all take turns to clean the roads." Seema said, "Thank you for the tour of your beautiful city, King Priest." The king priest replied, "Well, I could not show you a unicorn, but I can give you a seal with a unicorn carved on it." "Thank you so much," Ali smiled. "You are welcome, children, and just remember, One more thing. We don't have many enemies. We don't make a lot of weapons. For a very long time, my people have lived in peace. The king priest replied. This is incredible. Although we did not find a unicorn, we certainly did learn a lot from the people of Mohenjo Daro, said Seema. We also found out that the people of Mohenjo Daro belong to the land that is now part of Pakistan. This is Pakistan's heritage and we should be proud of it, Ali added. Amai reminded the two children. I wish we could stay longer, but we have to go home now. We are already very late. Bye-bye, Seema and Ali said. Bye-bye, King Priest. The King Priest said, Bye-bye, children, and remember, always be clean and peaceful.
हमें किताब चाहिए जो जिंदगी बदल दे, हमको वो निसाब चाहिए।